Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm excited to share with you all about the amazing world of virtual reality. On this channel, we'll be exploring things VR, from the latest hardware and software to the most immersive and innovative experiences. Whether you are a VR enthusiast looking to learn more about the technology, or you're just curious about what VR has to offer, there's something for everyone here. In this video, we're going to be discussing how VR works and the different types of VR systems available. We'll also be exploring the many ways that VR is being used in a variety of industries, including education, entertainment, healthcare, and military training. So without further ado, let's dive into the exciting world of VR. Virtual reality, or VR, is a technology that allows users to experience immersive computer-generated environments as they were physically present in them. VR has been around for decades, but recent advancements in hardware and software have made it more accessible and realistic than ever before. To experience VR, users typically wear a helmet that covers their eyes and ears and sometimes gloves or other sensors on their body. The headset contains a screen that displays a 3D image in front of each eye and speakers or headphones that provide audio. The headset also contains sensors that track the movement of the user's head and sometimes their body. As the user moves their head, the VR headset adjusts the 3D image and audio accordingly, creating the illusion of movement within the virtual environment. Some VR systems also use haptic feedback, which is a type of technology that allows users to feel virtual objects and sensations through their sense of touch. There are several different types of VR systems available, ranging from high-end setups that use powerful computers to more portable options that use smartphones as the display and processing power. The type of VR system you choose will depend on your budget and the types of experiences you want to have. One of the biggest benefits of VR is its availability to transport users to other worlds or allow them to experience things that would otherwise be impossible or impractical in the real world. For example, you can use VR to explore far-off lands, visit outer space, or even travel back in time. VR is also being used in a variety of other applications, including education, entertainment, healthcare, and military training. In the education sector, VR is being used to create immersive, interactive learning experiences that allow students to learn through experience rather than just reading or watching lectures. In the entertainment industry, VR is being used to create immersive video games, movies, and other forms of media. In healthcare, VR is being used to help with pain management and rehabilitation, as well as to train medical professionals. And in military training, VR is being used to simulate combat scenarios and other dangerous situations. Despite the many benefits of VR, there are also some limitations and potential risks to consider. One of the main limitations is that VR can be expensive, especially for high-end systems. Additionally, VR can be physically demanding, as users may need to stand or move around to fully experience some VR environments. Finally, VR can be addictive, and it's important to use it in moderation and take breaks to avoid overuse. Overall, virtual reality is an exciting and rapidly evolving technology that has the potential to transform a wide range of industries and change the way we experience the world. If you're interested in trying VR for yourself, there are many options available, from high-end setups to more affordable options that use your smartphone as the display. So why not give it a try and see what virtual reality has to offer? I hope you enjoyed learning about the virtual reality and the many ways it's being used. If you're interested in trying VR for yourself, there are many options available, from high-end setups to more affordable options that use your smartphones as the display. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and leave a comment letting me know what you'd like to see next. Whether it's more VR content, tech reviews, or something else, we're always looking for new ideas and feedback. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.